Tatьяna Zеленская, Arts. Artist and illustrator Tatьяна Zеленская from Kyrgyzstan confronts topics such as violence against women, human rights, and civic activism. She is a graduate from the Kyrgyz National Academy of Art in Bishkek, and her art is inspired by anti-government protests and social rights issues in Kyrgyzstan. She originally began her work with her husband, an illustrator, creating videos on issues including bullying and human rights, before moving towards more political topics. She has been particularly outspoken about issues related to domestic and gender-based violence in Kyrgyzstan. Her work has been featured by multiple organisations, including Amnesty International. In 2020, Zеленская created the artwork for a video game titled Swallows, Spring in Bishkek. The game features a woman helping her friend who's been abducted and forced into an unwanted marriage. It was intended to highlight issues around bride kidnapping in Kyrgyzstan and was downloaded more than 30,000 times within the first 2 weeks. Despite being subject to a number of threats online in reaction to her work, Zеленская has remained resilient in the face of censorship.